Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add music in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, we are going to import our background music by double-clicking on our project panel right here. And you can then select your audio clip. And once you have done that, we can drag it onto our timeline. To navigate better, we can also delete this blank audio on our video. If you have that as well, you can right-click on your video clip, click on a link, and that's delete this audio track, and we can drag this background audio up. After that, we can match our video to the audio. So I'm just going to cut my video so that it matches the duration of my audio. The next thing we're going to do is to expand the track. Just click on this wrench icon and click on expand all tracks so we can see more clearly on our audio sound waves. Now we can go to effects and search for fade, and under audio transitions we see an exponential fade effect that will add a fade in and fade out to our audio, so we can drag this onto our audio at the start and at the end of our audio. And we can also adjust the volume of our audio by dragging this line right here down or up. So dragging it up will increase the volume, and dragging it down will decrease the volume of our audio. You can also do this in the effect controls, so we can expand the volume option right here. You can click on the stopwatch icon so we can match the volume all throughout the audio, so you can increase or decrease it as you like. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.